So this is how you're gonna fix your loose clock hand. I want to show you here. You can see that the lower part of the shaft is thicker than the top part. This is where your hour hand goes, and this is where your minute hand goes. So the hour hand goes over the top and it holds down by pressure here, and the minute hand pressure here. So if it's loose, what you're gonna want to do is you want to hold the back and the front, and you're gonna push down. There's no real click, but you'll feel that it doesn't go any further, and now it actually moves the way it's supposed to. And you see it got loose again because it's being moved by hand versus the backside. But you want to just go ahead and push it down there, and then if this gets a little lumpy, you can always just move these up and down. This minute hand, same thing. You just push it down, and it gets nice and tight. So now, if you fix the time in the back, everything moves the way it should. Hope this helps. If you need anything else, just let us know.